So, hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary from Manzil Immigrations. Today I will talk about once you land to UK. Guys, you need to have some understanding of the British culture before moving there. First of all, punctuality. British are usually sticklers for punctuality, and it will be considered improper if you are late for an appointment, a tutorial, or a social gathering. If you are going to be late, it is advisable to let the person know beforehand and explain the situation. Quiz. Queuing is important in the UK. You will have to queue at shops, supermarkets, banks, and uh, government offices. Jumping a queue is considered ill mannered and can annoy those already standing in a queue. Personal space. The space you leave between you and the person you are speaking to is very culture specific. In Britain, it is usual to leave one arm's length between you and the person you are speaking to, as crossing that invisible boundary will be seen as an infringement of privacy. Social niceties. As an international student, you will be perplexed by the number of times the British say please, thank you, and sorry. Taking that as a cue, you should add please at the end of every request. Thank you each time someone does something for you. If we talk about driving in the UK, driving in the UK is on the left side of the road. It is necessary to obtain a UK license by arranging to take a driving tests. So if this is not done, you run the risk of being prosecuted for driving without a valid license. So you must be insured before you can drive a car in the UK. To hire a car in the UK, you must hold a full driver's license or an international driving license and have been driving for 12 months or more. If we talk about bank accounts, having a UK bank account is important for international students. It's very important. It can take up to 2 weeks to open a bank account. You can open a bank account only after you are in the UK and have registered on a full time study. UK law requires banks to make detailed checks on customers to establish proof of identity, proof of address in the home country, and proof of new address in UK. If we talk about travel, London Underground, you can pay a cash fare, use a prepaid Oyster card, or buy a paper travel card. Using an Oyster card, a single fare will cost you £5. Buses, most routes in central London requires that you buy tickets before you board. Ticket machines selling single fares and daily bus passes are located next to the main bus stops on these routes. Post Brexit, many students are afraid that their tuition fees might increase after Brexit. So, however, till date, there is no indication from the government regarding increasing the fee. Many UK universities have decided not to change the tuition fee for European students currently pursuing their education. Is it? Thank you so much. Be happy and take care.